Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Flow.
Hi, friends. Today we will help you master daily English with natural conversations.
Yes, many learners know grammar, but they cannot speak in real life.
That is true. They feel nervous. They feel shy.
Do not worry. Today we will practice real English that people use every day.
Simple words, simple sentences, easy English.
Emma, how was your morning today?
My morning was good. I woke up at 7. I made coffee, then I checked my phone.
That sounds normal. I also woke up early. I felt sleepy, but I wanted to practice English.
That is great. Practice every day is the key.
Let us start with a real-life conversation. Imagine you meet your friend in the morning.
Yes, a simple morning talk.
Hi, Jason. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. How about you?
I am fine. I feel a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I studied late last night.
This is a very common conversation. People use it every day.
Yes, how are you is very common.
And how about you is also very common.
These are polite and friendly sentences.
Let us explain the meaning in simple words.
How are you means you want to know how someone feels.
I'm good means you feel fine.
I am tired means you need rest.
Now we will repeat the key sentence naturally.
Hi, Jason. How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I am fine.
Good job. Try to say it with us.
Speak slowly. Speak clearly.
Now let us talk about another daily topic, food.
Everyone talks about food. Emma, Jason, what did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast. What about you?
I had tea and a sandwich.
This is simple daily English.
Emma, what did you eat is past tense.
It means you ask about food in the morning.
Emma, let us explain some vocabulary.
Breakfast means the first meal of the day.
Emma, lunch means the meal in the afternoon.
Dinner means the meal at night.
Now, repeat the conversation.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
Great. You are doing very well.
Now, imagine you're at work or school.
You meet a friend or a colleague.
Hi, Jason. Are you busy?
A little. I have some work.
Okay, talk to you later.
This is natural English.
Emma, are you busy means you want to know if someone has time.
Talk to you later is a friendly goodbye.
Emma, let us repeat the key sentence again.
Are you busy?
A little. Talk to you later.
Perfect.
Now we will practice a small story.
Stories help you think in English.
Yesterday, I went to the market.
What did you buy?
I bought fruits and vegetables.
Did you meet anyone?
Yes, I met my neighbor.
This is daily English.
People talk about shopping, meeting friends, and daily life.
Let us explain some words.
Emma, market is a place to buy things.
Emma, neighbor is a person who lives near you.
Emma, buy means to pay money for something.
Now repeat the key sentence.
Yesterday, I went to the market.
I bought fruits and vegetables.
Good. Your English is improving.
Now we will do question and answer practice.
Listen and repeat.
How are you today?
I am good.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate a sandwich.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free.
Very good. Try to answer in your own words.
Now we will do shadowing practice.
Repeat after us like a shadow. Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Jason. I am good. How about you?
I'm fine.
Again?
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
Hi, Jason. I am good. How about you?
Excellent.
Remember, English is not difficult.
You just need daily practice.
Speak every day.
Make mistakes. It is okay.
In the next part, we will talk about travel, hobbies, and daily routines.
Stay with us. Keep practicing.
You can speak English. Believe in yourself. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our daily English practice.
Yes, you are doing great. Keep listening and speaking with us.
In this part, we will talk about hobbies, daily routines, and travel.
These are common topics in real life.
Jason, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
That is nice. I like to walk in the park and listen to music.
This is a very common conversation.
People often ask, what do you like to do?
It means they want to know your hobby.
Let us explain some vocabulary.
Free time means time when you are not working or studying.
Hobby means something you like to do for fun.
Listen to music means you enjoy songs.
Now repeat the key sentence naturally.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Good. Try to say your own hobby.
Now let us talk about daily routines.
Daily routines means what you do every day.
Jason, what do you do in the morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and take a shower.
Then what?
Then I eat breakfast and go to work.
That is simple daily English.
People often talk about their routines.
Let us explain some words.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Brush my teeth means clean your teeth.
Take a shower means wash your body.
Now repeat the key sentences.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
Great job.
Now imagine you meet a friend in the evening.
You want to talk about your day.
Hi, Jason. How was your day?
It was good. I was busy at work.
What did you do?
I had meetings and finished my tasks. This is natural English.
How was your day is a common question.
I was busy means you had a lot of work.
Let us repeat the key sentence.
How was your day?
It was good. I was busy.
Perfect.
Now let us talk about travel.
Travel is a fun topic.
Jason, do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to London and New York. This is simple travel English.
People often ask, where do you want to go?
It means they want to know your dream place.
Let us explain some vocabulary.
Travel means to go to another city or country.
Go means to move to a place.
Love means you like something very much.
Now repeat the key sentence.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Very good.
Let us make a small travel conversation.
Imagine you are planning a trip.
When will you travel?
Next month.
How will you go?
I will go by plane. This is common English for travel.
Next month means the month after this month.
By plane means using an airplane.
Now repeat the key sentence.
I will go by plane next month.
I will visit my friend.
Nice.
Now we will practice a short story again.
Stories help you think in English.
Last weekend, I went to the beach.
What did you do there?
I swam in the sea and ate ice cream.
Did you have fun?
Yes, I had a great time.
This is daily English storytelling.
People talk about weekends and fun activities.
Now let us explain some words.
Beach is a place near the sea.
Swam is the past of swim.
Great time means very good time.
Now repeat the key sentence.
I went to the beach last weekend.
I had a great time.
Excellent. Now we will do question and answer practice again.
Listen and repeat. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch movies.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and eat breakfast.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
Very good. Answer in your own words.
Now we will do shadowing practice.
Repeat after us clearly. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
How was your day?
It was good. Again,
How was your day?
it was good. I was busy.
Great job.
Now remember, speaking is a skill.
You must practice every day.
Talk to yourself in English.
Talk to your friends in English.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
In the next part, we will talk about feelings, opinions, and real-life problems.
Stay with us. Keep practicing.
You are becoming confident in English. Believe in yourself. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 3 of our daily English practice series. I'm Emma, and I'm here with Jason.
Hi, friends. You are doing amazing if you've been following parts 1 and 2. Today, we'll take your English even further.
Yes, in this part, we will talk about feelings, opinions, and real-life problems. These are very common in daily English.
And we'll give you plenty of practice with repetition, question and answers, and shadowing. Let's get started.
Jason, how are you feeling today?
I feel happy and relaxed. How about you?
I feel a little tired but excited because we are learning English together.
That's great. Talking about feelings is very common. It makes conversations natural.
Let's explain some words. Feel means how your body or mind is right now. Happy means you feel good. Excited means you feel very happy and eager. Tired means you need rest.
Now repeat with us naturally. How are you feeling today?
I feel happy and relaxed.
I feel a little tired, but excited.
Excellent. Keep repeating. Every time you say it, you get more confident. Let's practice asking about feelings in a short conversation.
Hi, Emma. How do you feel today?
I feel great. How about you?
I feel okay. A little tired, but good.
That is natural English. Repeat the key sentence. How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
I feel tired, but good.
Now let's talk about opinions. Talking about your opinion is important in English.
Jason, what do you think about learning English every day?
I think it is very important. It helps you speak naturally.
I agree. Practicing daily gives confidence.
Let's explain the words. Think means your idea or opinion. Important means something that matters a lot. Confidence means you feel sure about yourself.
Repeat after us. I think practicing English every day is important.
Practicing daily gives confidence.
Now let's do a small question and answer practice about feelings and opinions.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
What do you think about learning English every day?
I think it is very important. Your turn. Answer in your own words.
Say, I feel excited, or I think practicing English is useful.
Excellent. Now let's talk about a real-life problem. Real conversations often include small problems.
Yes, for example, missing the bus, losing something, or having too much work.
Jason, I lost my notebook today.
Oh no, what will you do?
I will try to find it. If I can't, I will buy a new one.
That is a good solution.
Let's explain some words. Lost means you cannot find something. Solution means a way to solve a problem.
Now repeat naturally. I lost my notebook today. I will try to find it. If not, I will buy a new one.
Great. You can also use it with your phone, keys, or wallet.
Now imagine another problem.
I am late for class.
What can you say?
I can say, I am sorry, I will be there soon. I am sorry is polite. I will be there soon tells someone you are on your way.
Repeat after us. I am late. I am sorry. I will be there soon.
Now we will practice a full conversation with feelings, opinions, and a problem.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I feel tired but happy. How about you?
I feel good. What do you think about our English practice?
I think it is very helpful. It makes me confident.
That is great. Did anything happen today?
Yes, I lost my notebook, but I will find it. Now, shadowing practice. Repeat slowly and clearly.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I feel tired but happy. How about you?
I feel good. What do you think about our English practice?
I think it is very helpful. It makes me confident.
Did anything happen today?
Yes, I lost my notebook, but I will find it.
Amazing. Keep practicing this conversation. You can use it every day.
Now, let's practice polite expressions. Politeness is very important in English.
Hi, Emma. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you explain this word to me?
Yes, it means an easy way to say something. Can you is polite. Sure means yes.
Repeat after us. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you explain this word to me?
Yes, it means an easy way to say something. Excellent. You can use these phrases with teachers, friends, or colleagues.
Now let's do a short story with feelings, opinions, problems, and politeness.
Yesterday, I went to the park. I felt happy because the sun was shining. I met my friend and we talked about learning English. I lost my pen, but I asked politely, "Can you help me find it?" My friend helped me and I was grateful.
Let's explain some words. Grateful means you feel thankful. Polite means kind and respectful.
Repeat after us. I felt happy. I lost my pen. Can you help me? I am grateful.
Very good. These sentences are simple and natural.
Now we will do question and answer practice from the story.
How did you feel yesterday?
I felt happy.
What happened in the park?
I lost my pen.
Did anyone help you?
Yes, my friend helped me. Your turn. Answer with your own words.
Great. Now we will do shadowing practice with the story. Repeat after us slowly.
Yesterday, I went to the park. I felt happy because the sun was shining. I met my friend and we talked about learning English. I lost my pen, but I asked politely, "Can you help me find it?" My friend helped me, and I was grateful.
Excellent. You just practiced a real-life story in English.
Remember, English is for speaking, not only reading or writing.
Speak every day. Make short conversations. Use feelings, opinions, and small problems.
Repeat sentences. Shadow yourself. This builds confidence.
You can also practice with friends or family.
Listen, repeat, and speak naturally.
Let's review key sentences from today.
How do you feel today?
I feel happy.
What do you think about learning English every day?
I think it is very important.
I lost my notebook today. I will try to find it.
I am late for class. I am sorry. I will be there soon.
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I am grateful for your help.
Repeat these sentences every day. You will speak naturally in real life.
And remember, mistakes are normal. They help you learn faster.
Confidence is the key. Speak slowly, clearly, and kindly.
Practice daily, practice with friends, practice with yourself.
You did amazing. You have learned feelings, opinions, daily routines, travel, problems, and polite phrases.
Keep practicing. Speak every day. You can master English with natural conversations.
Thank you for joining us in this long practice.
Keep learning, keep speaking, keep smiling.
You are capable, confident, and ready to speak English naturally.
See you next time on Easy English Flow. Bye-bye, friends. Have a great day and keep practicing.